In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Jira Confluence, a straightforward yet essential task for maintaining clean and organized project documentation. Whether you're cleaning up outdated pages or simply managing content more efficiently, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. To begin, ensure you're on your Confluence homepage. This is your starting point for accessing various aspects of your Confluence spaces and content. Once you're there, the next step is to choose the appropriate workspace. Workspaces are integral in Confluence because they contain all the related pages and information for a particular project or group. Selecting the correct workspace will ensure you're working in the right context and won't accidentally delete a crucial document from another project. After entering your chosen workspace, you'll need to navigate to the specific page you intend to delete. This might involve browsing through a list of pages or using the search function for quicker access. Locate the page you no longer need and click on it to bring its content up on your screen. If you're managing multiple pages, ensure you have the correct one selected, as this action cannot be undone easily. Once the page is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. That'll be where you find the three dots, or the More Actions menu. Clicking on these three dots opens a drop-down menu with several options. Here's a quick tip. If you're unable to see the three dots, maximize your browser or check your permissions, as sometimes access might be restricted based on user roles. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Delete option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete the page. This verification step is crucial as it gives you a moment to rethink the deletion, ensuring you're making the right choice. When you're sure about your action, and if the page no longer holds any critical content needed by you or your team, go ahead and click Delete to confirm. This will permanently remove the page from the workspace, freeing up space and potentially streamlining your workflow. Remember, managing your Confluence environment effectively relies on keeping your pages up to date and relevant. Regularly reviewing and deleting unnecessary pages helps in maintaining clarity and efficiency across your documentation. Thank you for following along, and now you can confidently manage your Confluence pages. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tech tips.